let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that in a mathematical test, the following marks were obtained by the 40 students. So arrange these marks in a table using the tally marks. So we are given this table. We have to arrange them into a simple table using telegram. And in the first part, we have to find out how many students obtain marks equal to or more than 7. So we are going to make the table here. This table consists of the marks of this student, marks, tally marks, and the number of students, So look here in the table. This table consists of numbers from 1 to 9. So we are going to give marks from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is marks. We have to find out the tally mark. For tally mark, we have to find out how many students have mark 1. So look here, 1, this is 1 and this is 1. So only 2 students has 1 mark. So we can draw the two lines here. Now let's start with 2. So when we find out, now look here in this figure. So in this figure, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 student has 2 marks. So we are going to make 3 lines here. 3 lines here. Now let's again move to the table. We have to find out for 3. So for 3, again 3 students has 3 marks. 3 students has 1. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So 3 student has 3 marks. So again we are going to make 3 lines here. Now let's discuss for the student who have 4 marks. So 4 marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 student has 4 marks. So we have to make the 7 line. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th line is representing cutting them, and then this is 6 and this is 7. So 7 student has 4 marks. In the same way, when we again look at the table, so we find out that 7 student has 5 marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And again for tables, the student who have mark 6 are, so when we look at the table, we found that 6 student have 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When we look at table, 7 students have 6 marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we look at table, we find that the 5 students have 7 marks. For 8 marks, there are 4 students. And for 9 marks, there are 3 students. So number of students are 2, 3, 3, 7, 6, 7, 5, 5, 4 and 3. 5, 4 and 3. So this is our table. So in the first part, we have to find out how many student obtains marks equal to or more than 7. So we have to find out how many students obtain marks equal to or more than 7. So look at this table. This is 7. We have to find out the students who obtain either 7 marks or more than 10. So this from here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students have 7 marks, then 4 students have 8 marks and 3 student has 9 marks. So we can say that number of students having marks equal to or more than 7 is equals to the student who have 7 marks, students who have 7 marks plus student who have 8 marks plus student who have 9 marks. So there are 5 students who have 7 marks plus 4 students have 8 marks plus 3 students have 9 marks. When we add them, we get the value as 12. So we can say that the 12 students have marks more than or equals to 7. So this is the answer to the part A of this question. Now let's discuss the part B. In the part B, we have to find out how many students score marks below than 4. So below than 4 means the student who scored either 1, 2 and 3 marks. So we can say that the number of students who score below below 4 is equals to the number of students who have marks 3, 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3. That is equals to number of students who have 2 marks is 2. Having having 1 mark is 2. Having 2 mark is 3. And having 3 mark is 3. So the sum of all this is 8. So we can say that the students having marks below than 4 is 8. 8 students are there having marks below than 8. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.